So this is the garden workshop on the outside. It is 22 foot by 14 foot deep. I bought this on eBay, but there's an entire video about that if you haven't seen it already. I'll put the video title up on the screen now so you can search for that. I designed all the lighting myself because I love a bit of ambient lighting. I like the whole vibe of LED lighting. And not only the workshop, I've spent the whole summer putting in flower beds and making my garden look a bit more tropical and nice. This old space looks absolutely amazing at night time when all these solar lights come on and lights on the workshop. It looks absolutely amazing. Right guys, let's go inside and show you what I've been up to and see where all the magic is going to be happening. So decided to set this workshop up into two areas. Obviously this being the work side of things. I am done from working from these crappy little plastic toolboxes. I can literally never find what I'm looking for. I'm always tipping them out, trying to find tools, losing tools. Got these beautiful stainless steel workbenches which are super easy to use and efficient for finding everything I need. I've got the pegboards up behind me. Yeah, it's just I'll be able to work a lot more efficiently now with these proper ones. These are actually from home base, believe it or not. I was trying to work out what to do this last bit of the workshop. There was a bit of space. I was going to get a big cupboard 6 foot, you know, storage thing, and I was going to put all my woodworking tools in there. And then I thought, well, how often do I actually use wood tools? So soldering has always been a necessary evil for me. I don't particularly enjoy it, but I've been forced into doing more and more of it, and I really need to be doing the projects that I'm doing on the channel now. So this was a last minute thing that I've literally put in yesterday. I decided, why don't I make a dedicated soldering station? So this is my dedicated soldering station. Like I said, it only went in yesterday, but now I'm actually going to be able to be super efficient. Efficiency is now my middle name. Anytime I need to solder a job, I'm not going to spend 35 minutes trying to find my soldering iron and flux and everything. This is going to be an absolutely gem area for me with the upcoming projects I've got. A little bit of blank wall space here behind me now. Rob from Dread Effects come and visited me yesterday, and he is designing me an awesome bit of artwork. Large piece with a Dude Stuff logo and a bit of Chicano artwork. That is going to look great. Don't forget to check out his channel. Talking of Rob, got to say a massive thanks to him yesterday. He came around just to talk to me about artwork and ended up helping me fit these window blinds to the workshop. I've got these blinds from a company called UK Blinds For You. They're on eBay. Don't get it confused with Blinds For You, which is another company selling on Google. I'll put it up on the screen now and I'll put the link in the description, but these are absolutely awesome. So they're a thermal honeycomb blind, completely blackout. You can get them to match any of your home decor. I've got the grey anthracite type colour which matches my windows perfectly, I think. They're really unusual because you can pull them up and down from the top and the bottom, either independently, just from the top, just from the bottom, or you can pull them both down. Really clever blinds, very lightweight, very easy to install, and they're cheap as well. So check them out guys, and thanks again to Rob for helping me fit them yesterday. So I needed the perfect space to also unwind and do important YouTube research. All this work I've been doing this year has left me exhausted. I needed the perfect space to chill out, do some YouTube research.
The golden brake doesn't work at all. People are wondering what's happening. Is it a bird? Is it a plane?
I've got everything down here. I can see my CCTV, check on deliveries from the workshop, check I've got no crazy exes, crackheads, you know, the list goes on. So I've got this 32-inch Samsung smart display. It's kind of like a smart TV. It's on a 360-degree swivel base, so it can go around, pull out, and it's going to be good for just background display purposes. You can watch YouTube shorts and anything in a portrait orientation, full 4K. The screen actually rotates like a mobile phone. When you turn it, the picture actually rotates just like a mobile phone. You can watch things in both format, and I'm going to use that. I'm going to have my bike behind the sofa, my Zwift bike, and I'm going to be able to do my cardio work and my exercise in this room facing out onto the garden, which is going to be sick. All these cool things wouldn't have been able to happen unless I found a super durable, good looking flooring. Now I spent a long time researching this, trying to figure out what was the best for the money, what's the most durable. This is from a company called DURAMAT, and they make these solid PVC tiles which are really durable. In fact, I'm going to show you just how durable they are. So in front of me I've got what is the most common form of flooring out there at the moment, luxury vinyl flooring. It's like a posh lino. Costs a lot of money. I was going to do the workshop in this, but I'm going to try and demonstrate now, hopefully, why I decided that was a bad choice. So in front of me I've got a plastic mallet, a file, and a motorbike sprocket. Hammer. File. Sprocket. Have a little close-up look at that. Now, in short, the benefits of this is it is solid 7mm, and you don't tell so much that it's an individual piece because it's got this pattern which goes across into the next piece. So like, you don't see the joins in it too much, and if you do get a damage you can actually just replace an individual tile, which is awesome, and it's super quick to lay. You can not have any fancy skills, you can pretty much just put this straight on the floor. Luxury vinyl comes in massive rolls, which even with my workshop still would have had to have a professional join in it. As you can see, the durability ain't as good, and if you go a bit harder on it, there you go, first time all the way through, and that is probably, well, I'm not going to say the amount, but a pretty expensive amount of flooring, and to me it's just a fancy lino that's a bit more durable. Great tiles, check out DURAMAT, I'll put the link in the description. Really friendly guys, they're based in Essex but they can ship anywhere, good prices, solid 7mm PVC, so awesome bit of flooring for your garage, workspace, yeah, brilliant stuff. So I decided to finish off the workshop build with some sick LED skirting board lights which I got from Ultra LEDs. They're copper lighting so you don't see the individual dots. Very high quality components, I recommend them guys, so link will be in the description for that company. Check them out if you want to do some custom LED work yourself. So that is it then guys, hope you enjoyed this little tour of my awesome new YouTube studio. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe already. I've got some awesome projects coming up now. I've got a perfect space and no excuses to do it. Massive thanks to anyone who's helped out on this project. Thanks to Carrie, Matt, Rob, Tommy, you know, the guys that helped plaster, the electrician. Thanks everyone who's done some bits on this project, and I will catch you guys in a video soon. Thanks for watching.